Hi, my name is Kevin and I'll be showing you how to do proper maintenance on your MT-1502. We recommend for your machine to be off during all these maintenance points. The first point of maintenance is on the sewing arm. Okay, so first off, we're going to focus on this area. We're going to be removing the bobbin case. So we'll be brushing down this area every single day, as a lot of thread could get built up on this area. So we'll lightly brush this area down. After brushing down the area from all the excess thread, we're going to go ahead and add 2 drops of white sewing machine oil to the corner of the rotary hook. So every 1 to 2 weeks, you want to go ahead and remove this needle plate. And it'll expose the knives beneath it. And you want to lightly brush the excess thread from all this area here. If this builds up, what it can cause is your needles to break and your threads to break. You could also use a can of dust off if you have that. After you're done brushing the knives, go ahead and put the needle plate back in place and close it tightly. Locate the slit on your bobbin case, and once a week, remove the lint by using a business card and sliding it through the slit. Once a week, lubricate the opening behind the needle plate by adding 2 to 3 drops of sewing machine oil on the hole right behind it. Once a week, go ahead and drop 2 drops of sewing machine oil on each of the 5 points located on the front of the needle case. So at this point, you want to go ahead and turn on your machine. Move both heads to needle number 1. Go ahead and remove the center cover. Once a month, add 2 to 3 drops of oil on this opening right behind the head. Since you're already on needle number 1, you want to go ahead and once a month add 2 to 3 drops of oil on the T-bar located right behind the head. Move your needle to number 15 to access the other side of the T-bar. Add 2 to 3 drops of oil on the left side of the T-bar as well. Every 3 to 5 months, add white lithium grease to the rail on the left-hand side. Repeat the same step by adding lithium grease to the right-hand side as well. For all the things I just explained, go ahead and repeat it for both heads. For this next part, we'll only be focusing on head number 1. Remove the color change cover by taking off these 2 screws. After removing the screws, go ahead and slide it out from the right-hand side. Every 3 to 5 months, apply lithium grease to the color change cam. Also, every 3 to 5 months, apply lithium grease to the bearings on the back of the head. Move your needle to number 15 to access the bearings on the right-hand side. And apply lithium grease to the left-hand side as well. Don't forget to replace the center cover to keep it free from dust and lint. Before running any embroidery on any garments, go ahead and run some tests on some backing to release all the extra oil accumulated inside your machine.